Thank you very much. That was Miss Annalyn Husay of Manila Bulletin. And for our last set of questions, we have Jaco Manangan of TikTok, content creator.
Hello guys, congratulations on the task and of course kay Direk Richard. And one word to describe this film, to all the cast no, and bakit na kailangan panoorin.
Relevance. Bakit daw? Because I'm relevant. Hindi, because we know kung bakit siya relevant. Kung bakit siya kailangan panoorin ngayon. Kaya kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, kailangan gumawa pa tayo siguro ng mas marami pang ganito. It's not just a film na kung tuturuan ka lang kung ano dapat mong gawin. It's a ride na sasakyan mo, tapos marirealize mo na lang pumasok na para sa iyo yung message. So, in that sense, I think it's relevant. It's not easy to look at what we're experiencing right now. It's very hard for everyone, but we have to. So, let's keep pushing for what's right and what we deserve. Saka part 2.
May pera. Hindi naman nagmamadali, di ba?
Siguro for me, fearless. Na, in the sense na like si Attorney Roman, parang he had to be fearless kung gusto niya talagang malaman at makuha yung truth and yung justice na gusto niya. Which, sana, hopefully, kapag pinanood natin yung film na to, all of us would have that courage or sense of fearlessness to speak up and to be courageous to fight for the truth.
Miss Yayo.
Para maiba lang tayo kasi alam naman natin na yung ngayon tayong lahat mga Pilipino, ang goal natin is yung maging maayos, yung good governance and transparency and everything. Pero para lang maiba, this is also about family, di ba, and forgiveness. So, if we always just try to look at the good side of, minsan mahirap magpatawad talaga, lalo na rin pag pamilya mo. Pero lahat naman nag-uumpisa sa bahay, sa pamilya, di ba? So, lahat tayo may mga kanya-kanyang pinagdadaanan, lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang problema, pero kung magbubukas lang yung mga puso natin, tsaka mga isip natin, kung meron tayong mga issues na dapat isolve sa pamilya, huwag tayong matakot na gumawa ng paraan na sakaling magkaroon ng healing, yung ganun, yung sa pamilya. Kasi naniniwala ako na everything starts at home. So kung ayos tayo lahat as a family, as a small unit, pwedeng maging maayos ang community, ang bansa, lahat. So, alam ko naman gets niyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko, but this is also about family and forgiveness.
So sa akin, kasi, umiyak. Hindi, charing lang. Fresh! Kasi syempre ang fresh ng director. Fresh yung mga cast. Okay na, char, treatment. Char. Hindi, so, fresh talaga kasi everything is fresh. From the director, to the story, tsaka yung cast. Who would have thought na, syempre, iba-iba kaming lahat, diba? So, parang hindi naman talaga kami nagsasama-sama, pero napagsama-sama ni Direk. So, ayun, so fresh yung directorial niya, fresh yung mga cast niya. I mean, yung casting-wise ha, at saka fresh yung kissing scene nilang dalawa na dapat sa amin. So, pakipamalita na lang na panoorin nila sa October 2 sa Netflix, at saka sana paki-chismis na lang din na kami talaga dapat ni Direk. Thank you.
Miss 27.
I have 2 words. So, one is, it's a roller coaster. Grabe, alam mo yung isang beses tense ako, tapos biglang nai-inlove ako. Hindi ko nga imagine na parang, ako ba yun? Ako ba yung kasi ni Alden Richards? Parang hindi naman. Pero, yun, tapos biglang maawa ako. And then, my second would be, it's hopeful, you know? I mean, sa panahon ngayon, hindi pwedeng mawala tayo ng pag-asa, kumbaga. Kasi pag nawalan tayo ng pag-asa, mawawala na lahat eh. So, pag may pag-asa tayo, kaya pa natin ipaglaban to. Diba? Matatapos din to. At makukuha din natin yung justice na gusto natin, na kailangan ng bansa natin. So, ayun po.
Yes, ako one word, resolute, I'd like to say. Resolute or resilient. This film is very resilient. It will stand the test of time. This film is gonna be put to the records, and kahit anong generation mo siya panoorin, I think it would be relevant all the time. Because like what I've said, the battle for justice and the truth is every day. It's never ending. Kahit man yan sa sarili natin, with our family, with our friends, with our society, especially with national issues. It's every day. We have to always fight and find the truth. Dahil wag po tayo magpakulong sa stigma na yung mga tao behind lawmaking or the ones that implements the rules are the ones in control of the truth. That is never true. Ang katotohanan po palagi ang lagi nating hanapin sa ating buhay. May it be personal or may it be outside of your personal lives. Kasi mas masarap pong mabuhay sa mundong to ng totoo ka sa lahat ng bagay. Sa sarili mo, sa mga tao sa paligid mo, and sa field na pinili mong gawin. So with this film, hopefully, we can encourage people to always fight and find the truth every day.
Yes. Kaya mga fans dyan, matapawin natin October 2. Gawin natin top 1.
Yes. Don't forget guys, yung thumbs up button. Click nyo yan sa Netflix. Para sila na yung mag-fund nung series.
Congratulations.
There you have it. That was Jacob Manangan, TikTok content creator, and that concludes your Q&A. Congratulations once again. The team out of order, kindly stand up for our last photo